In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your Atlassian account directly from Trello step by step. If you're using Trello for project management and need to quickly jump into your Atlassian account settings, profile details, or security options, this is the fastest way to do it. The best part is, you don't need to remember a separate login link because everything is connected inside Trello. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your Trello account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello home screen where you can see your boards. This is the main dashboard where all your projects and workspaces are listed. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or your initials inside a circle. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Manage Account. This is the key step because Trello and Atlassian accounts are connected. Click on Manage Account to continue. As soon as you click on Manage Account, you will automatically be redirected to the Atlassian account management page. This page is hosted on i.atlassian.com, and this is where all your Atlassian profile and security settings are controlled. From here, you can update your personal information, change your email address, manage your password, configure two-factor authentication, and adjust your account visibility settings. You can also manage connected apps and review your security activity, depending on your account permissions. This is especially useful if you use other Atlassian products like Jira, Confluence, or Bitbucket, because they all share the same Atlassian account. So instead of logging in separately through another site, you can simply access everything directly through Trello in just a few clicks. And that's it. That's how you access your Atlassian account directly from Trello quickly and easily. Just go to Trello, click your profile icon, select Manage Account, and you'll be redirected instantly to your Atlassian account settings page. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Trello and Atlassian tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.